Hey there, local business owners. If you don't have a website yet for your local business, now is the time to get one. In this day and age, it's completely possible to launch a website without any design skills, without any coding, and you can literally do it all yourself. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Launch a website. You don't need to have any design skills. You don't need to hire a professional to help you, and you certainly don't need to know any website coding. Let's jump in. So if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before and you've just stumbled across our YouTube channel today, Mighty Sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So be sure to click on the link below this video. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So once you register an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. So let's say, for example, I have a local handyman business. I'm going to go ahead and search for that handyman. You can also select the general templates like service business, for example. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our handyman business so it can generate a simple website for us. All you need to do is put in your business name, your city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from. You can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Mighty Sites will instantly generate a simple website for your local business. It will also bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website for under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to quickly show you around the platform and show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about Mighty Sites, whichever template you select, whichever local business templates, it will have pre-written content specific to that market and pre-selected images too, very high quality ones as well. Basically, whichever market you select, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your business. Of course, you can change the images, you can change the content as well to make it more personalized to your business. Let me show you how easy it is to do that. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, you can put in a few basic details like your email address, for example, and if you want that to be visible to your customers, go ahead and check that box. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps. Over here underneath, update social links. You can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done that, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. If you've got a business logo, make your way over here to the next section to upload it. If you don't have a business logo yet, do check out our other videos. We have loads of suggestions of creating a logo for absolutely free. You don't have to have a huge budget or hire a professional. You can literally do it all yourself. If you want to change the colors used throughout your new website, just click that paint bucket. You'll find loads of color palettes suitable for your business. If you'd like to change the images or those call to action buttons in the sections, just click on that update section button. Over here, you have the option to browse your device or search through the photo library. Literally, you can change the keywords here. It will automatically search for the market you've selected. You can change it and it will find suitable images. There's literally hundreds of free high quality images to choose from in that library. If you have an Instagram account, you can connect it as well and pull in those photos. Now, underneath that update action, we can change those call to action buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more information on your rates and pricing points for your services. Or if you take online bookings, you can link to another website like a calendar booking software over here, for example. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all those leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you've already purchased a custom domain for your business, just click on that button at the bottom to connect it. Mighty Sites makes use of Entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. If you don't have a domain yet, you absolutely can purchase one via Mighty Sites as well to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. I really hope this short overview video was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on Mighty Sites. Absolutely no coding, absolutely no design skills needed. It literally was so simple to launch that website and I'm not even that tech savvy. If you have any questions about multi-sites, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. And do check out our other videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. Don't forget, multi-sites is going to cost you $9 a month. There's a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. You can easily launch a simple website for your business. No coding, no design skills, and you don't need to hire anyone either.